everyone, it's Astremasimone here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a highly awaited, requested video, but I'm only going to be showing the living room, dining room combo within this apartment update, being that I have not completed the other rooms of the household. If you are new to my channel, I have moved to this 2-bedroom apartment in NYC about a year and 3 months ago. I want everything to just be really nice because when I do move after this 2-year lease is up, I'm going to be bringing everything with me, and I hope to get a larger area. Until then, I'm gonna take my time. There's no rush, but it is stressing me out. Also gonna have some Christmas decor within this apartment update, being that it is the holiday time. But other than that, everything will be the foundation of the living room. If you're new, you probably have not seen how the living room looked before, but if you have been rocking with me before, you know that this is gonna be a transformation. I'm gonna share with you where I got everything. I'm not a gatekeeper. Y'all know I always be sharing everything with y'all, and I'll have everything linked or listed down below in the description box if you're interested in anything that I share with you today. It's gonna be great for space saving. If you also too have a living room, dining room combo, this will be great for some ideas. I'm not a professional or anything of that nature, but I do have a small space, which I'm not used to. I lived in Arizona and North Carolina prior, and I had larger space, so it's been kind of a challenge, but I'm getting the job done. I also do work from home, doing a 9-to-5 job, and also YouTube, so I do a lot of computer stuff. I had to do an office space within here, and I also am a stay-at-home mom, so a lot of like work I do is at home, and I just needed to make the space feel more inviting. Also, I have something that I want to share with y'all, which is an under-desk treadmill. My sedentary lifestyle has been making me gain some weight, and one of my goals again for this year is to just lead a more healthier lifestyle. I ain't trying to like starve myself or anything. I'm so happy that Start Power was able to send me over this under-the-desk treadmill, which is so compact, quiet, and it's just been such a great difference within my work routine, my daily life, and I'm just so excited to share it with you. So I will have everything linked down below. Don't forget to check the description box. I hope that you guys had a great Thanksgiving. So just keep on watching and we're gonna get into everything. All right, so this is the Start Power under desk treadmill or walking pad. Be used in a small space, and it is very quiet. So if you live in an apartment like I do and you have neighbors under or above you, it is very quiet, so it's not going to disturb the peace, which is something that is very important for me because I wouldn't like to be disturbing anyone because I don't want nobody to be disturbing me. It comes with this user manual. On the first page, it shows you the safety precautions and how you can warm up. It is also installation free, which is something that is very important for me because I don't have time to be putting together things because I make my fiance put things together. So he was very happy when he was able to just take it out of the box and didn't have to put anything together because you just plug it in, and it also comes with a remote. This is how the remote looks. You don't have to bend over and press any buttons. You can hold the remote in your hand. You can press it on, off. You could turn up the speed, turn down the speed. Basically have this in your hand while working out. Sometimes what I've experienced was the circulation in my legs were really bad at one point when I first started sitting down for so many hours. I started to feel like numbness, pins and needles. It's hard to run outside if I'm a stay-at-home mom and go for walks. So this treadmill really comes in handy. It's very powerful with a 2.5 HP motor. It's very stable during the movement, and there's 5 layers of non-slip running belt designed so that you're able to protect your knee. You're able to not only put it under your desk, but you can also slip it under your bed if you have a bed that's a little higher, or you can slip it under your couch if you have a couch that's a little higher, and or slide behind things depending on how things are set up. So make sure you check out Start Power under desk treadmill. You will not regret it. It's going to actually be very beneficial for you. All right, so I am at the front of the living room, and I'm going to show you a huge overview of how it looks when you first walk in from the front door. So just a quick overview. That is the ring light reflection right there, so I'm sorry. So I'm gonna get into everything. I was trying to decipher if I wanted the TV to be here or the couch on that side. If you're hearing creaking, I have wooden floors that are very creaky that I can't stand, but that's what it is for right now. I did go to Raymour and Flanigan and got this couch. I'll just put in a little clip when I was doing some shopping and trying to decide what I wanted to choose. Lakeith and I were trying to weigh our options with sizing and color and different pricing, and this actually is a pretty affordable quality couch. It is similar to the one that I had in Arizona and North Carolina, but the material of it is different, and the one I had prior was a darker gray. I did get warranty on it because it is like a suede type of material. My mom got me some Scotch guards. I'm gonna put it on there to kind of protect it. This area rug took me ages to find. Inexpensive area rug. They have it in 2 other colors, I believe brown and red accents, but I really like the black, the gray, and the white lines on it. I feel like it complements the whole color scheme, and it is also modern. It is actually about a 5x7. The way that I kind of put it underneath, it just fits perfectly, and I did get it from Amazon. It wasn't hard to even out. I just put Mila's Pediasure boxes here to kind of keep it down, and then it stayed flat. And it is very thin, but it feels nice. Very nice on the feet. And I sweep it for now, but I'm gonna get a carpet cleaners. Before, when I didn't have the rug underneath the couch, because I got the couch first, it just looked bare and empty. And another great thing that the area rug did do, create a designated line to let you know that you're coming out of the living room space and going into the dining room space. This is not your average size coffee table because it is a smaller size, which I did on purpose because this is a small area and I didn't want the coffee table to take up all of the space. I wanted to have space for Mila to play, sit down, and then also when you sit down, it won't take up too much. And I also did glass so that your eyes won't get stuck here. Move the round mirror, which was over there, because originally I had the chair over there. Not this chair, but the chair before. I left it over there in the dining area, but I didn't like the way it looked. So I brought it over here, made Lakeith put it back up. It goes. And then on each side, I did put some Christmas decor that I had before, and it just evens out. I did this last time. I didn't do a Christmas decorate with me video. I did it last time, same decor. I think I just got a few additives and it didn't make no sense in my mind to just keep showing the same thing. Okay, that little mark, I don't know what that is. I have a couple of marks from when they came and painted, but I have some paint. I can paint over it, but for right now, it's not too bad. When Christmas is over, I might get 2 things to put on the side. Not a big deal, but I really like the way it looked. I did get this throw from Home Goods. It just complements it. It almost is practically the same color, gray. It just goes so well. We did go for a sectional to also help kind of differentiate between the living room area and the dining area. If we would have gotten a regular couch, I probably would have put an accent chair here. So for right now, there's no accent chair. There's no extra chairs. There's just no space for that. And I don't want to crowd the area. I could put one here, but then this is the walkway. As you can see, I have a lot of things being stored here. This is all going to move. There's a wall over here that's not being used. And this is one of the 15% that I have to get back into. You are facing the TV when you sit down. So this is a 75-inch flat screen TV by TCL. It's a Roku TV and we like it a lot. It's really big. I don't think the camera is doing any justice for it. We love it. It feels like we're in the movies. I'm not watching that movie Smile. It just seems creepy as heck. Wanted to mount it on the wall, which we did get a mount, and we're gonna put it on the mount because last time it fell when Mila knocked it, and we don't want that to happen again. So in the meantime, I did get a TV stand from Amazon, of course. So the TV itself is from Amazon. Can you believe that? Amazon. But you can get it from Best Buy, Target, Walmart. You can get the same one from all these other places. PC Richard did take Lakeith about 2.5 hours to put together this TV stand. The reviews did say it's very time consuming, but I liked it. The price point was great. It was under $200 for the TV stand, and it went with the whole look that I was going for. It's just for looks, honestly, and a little bit of storage because the storage is not that great. I'm gonna be very honest with you. They have it in different colors as well, but I really like the way this looks. This is actually wood right here, not even gold. I do have some accent pieces. I have like candles and stuff stored in here. There's a drawer here, but the drawer is really not that strong. So I put light stuff in here. The stocking stuffers, which I'm gonna put up, I just stored it in here for right now. But it's like a little cardboard, so it's not strong. So it's, for me, it's just for looks, but I can definitely use the shelving. And then I have my lamp right next to it that I've had for a while now, right in the front, because I don't have any chandelier or anything, if you haven't noticed. So moving on over here is the dining area. Before I had the dining area over here in the front, my office area is over here. I wanted everything to kind of be towards the back. I got this kind of arch lamp from Walmart, I believe. It is a brass one. It's not gold, it's brass, and I had it for a while. And then it's just this little push down thing to turn it on and off. This, is it a table or a stool? I don't know, but I got it from Burlington a while back. It is wood and gold. And I just have my Echo, sitting here, Echo Show. I did get this from Amazon, and I could play movies, listen to music. I really, really love it. And yeah. Alexa, play Christmas carols.
The station, Christmas carols on Amazon Music.
Alexa, off. Mr. Off. Took too long for listen, girl. Anywho, this dining table took me forever to choose. I actually got this from, guess, Wayfair. You have just what I need. Okay. I got this dining table. You can't really see the beauty of it because I have everything on top of it, but it is a matte black with like beige seating, kind of similar to the seating I had on that cheap dining table. That was a temporary one before this one came about, but this is a very sturdy dining table. Very, very nice, modern. I actually had this dining table before in white, and now I got it in black because my whole aesthetic changed, and I love it. It's the perfect size. It is a almost fell. It's the perfect size, and it just fits the space so perfectly. I don't know if it's because it's black why it's coming up like that, but I love the way it looks on the hardwood floor. On top, I did just put some Christmas decorations. Runner I had from last year. I think I've got this from HomeGoods. These Christmas mats I got from HomeGoods. This centerpiece I actually got from TJ Maxx. This I got from Marshall's last year along with the acorns. I'm gonna get some seating mats, and then I can also show you how the setup looked before I decorated for Christmas and Thanksgiving. I'm gonna put in the clip right now. So once it's over, I'm gonna put it back out, which I actually really love. That plant is so tall and nice, and it just switched up the whole feng shui. I did put my full length mirror, let me get closer, right here to the side. I mean, you can't really look at your full body right now, but I don't have anywhere else to put it, and I'm gonna show you why I don't have nowhere else to put it in a second. Another 15% of what's not done is I'm gonna put something here, whether it be a painting, something. I'm gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna show y'all the other updates, the living room updates and apartment updates in another vlog later, because I told y'all I'm not gonna rush. I have this Christmas tree that I've been rocking with since 2019 with the same decor. The only thing is I didn't put up the pink balls this time. The pink balls would have threw off the whole look. I really wanted more of the brown balls, but it's all right. And Mila's little Paw Patrol ornaments every year, of course. Got my little birdies, my hummingbirds, my reindeer, so beautiful. I just love it. And then eventually I'm gonna retire this whole look and then just switch it up. And I don't have a star, I have this little wreath thing, like a fairy tale theme going on. And I'm gonna get a tree skirt. My mom actually did pick up one for me on the phone before I started this video. So it's naked right now, don't pay it no mind, but it's gonna look better. Right here, I shared this already in a prior vlog, the office area. So I did link, you know, where I got everything from in that video, but I'm gonna do it again here. This chair I got from Amazon, I really like it. The chair I had before was not really doing what I needed it to do. It was a gift, but the arms were hurting under my arm. Like it was turning it black because I didn't have cushion. And when you're sitting down for a long time, that chair wasn't meant for sitting for long. When you're sitting for long, you're gonna kind of lean and you need cushion. So this is suede and it's cushion, and I love the look. They had different colors, but I felt like the gray kind of went. And I got this first actually before I got the chair, but it's two different grays, but it kind of still goes. It ties in. And then this desk I got from Wayfair for a really good price. Has a modern luxe look to it. The gold kind of brassy hardware, which I really like, and is very wide. It holds both of my monitors. Has storage. So here I keep some files, and then I keep my laptop for when I'm editing my videos. I just put it up here, and that works out so well. This is a real drawer with real things in there, and then it has another part in there to store things that I don't really go on that side. You know, just the things up here to hold my phone while I'm working, and then this cushion for when typing is very, very important because then under here hurts. And then this cushion for the mouse pad also helps as well. And then this area is bare with just the stuff for the computer, so it doesn't look good to the eyes, and I'm gonna fix that soon, all the wiring and everything. I'm gonna get something to go right here to hold everything, but I gotta find the sizing to fit perfectly. And then lastly, in this corner is the reason for why I had to put the mirror over there, is because of my washer and dryer. So I shared in a prior vlog, I used to go to the laundromat, which I've never done before. I had washer and dryer in unit for my past apartment, so this was a little different. This apartment didn't come with that, so eventually we got a portable washer and dryer. This is the Black & Decker dryer. I believe it's a 3.5 cubic, and it's a decent size. There are clothes in here. Why, I don't know, but it's a decent size, as you could see. And then back there is where the lint, you unscrew that, take the lint off, and then right here is the temp. It actually gets really hot, which I like. I was afraid I wasn't gonna get the heat that I needed for it. And then here is the vent for where you put the water. I'm actually gonna screw it onto the wall because we just got this washer and dryer shelf. Cause before they were on the floor, and I couldn't put the Christmas tree down because these two were on the floor. I have nowhere else in the apartment to put the washer because my kitchen is really small. If you watch my vlogs, this couldn't fit in there properly. This is the RCA portable washing machine, 3.0 cubic feet, which is actually a really good size. It's deep. This is an impeller, so it doesn't have the agitator in the middle, which is good for, you know, putting a lot of clothes inside. It has all the great modes on there, large, medium, small. And yeah, we actually put it in the bathroom and used the hose in the toilet, and it's been working pretty well for us. And then on the bottom, I have this rolling thing to hold the wash machine, to roll it on out when we need to, and then roll it back in, and then that dryer just stays up there. I have this extension cord right here for it. It's a really thick one. It's kind of like stacking the washer and dryer without it being stackable. This rack I got from Home Depot. They sell them in a lot of different places online, but Home Depot actually turned out to be the most inexpensive at $80 and change, like with shipping and stuff. And then everywhere else it was like $120, $140, $115, even $150. I seen it and I'm like, nah. And it was the same exact rack, so it fit perfectly. Make sure you know your sizing, like your dimensions. So yeah, although it doesn't look the cutest, especially next to my workspace, I don't do laundry while working anyway, so it's not gonna interrupt my work. It's more so for storage. I mean, if I was able to like divide it or block it off, I would. But for right now, I can't because I don't have that luxury at the moment. This is just what works for me. I would love to not have that here, but you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do until you could do what you want to do, right? So I just make it work. I'm moving back so I could show you that when you come into the living room, even as a visitor, the first thing you see is not that. That's why I switched sides. I put the mirror over there opposed to there, because if that was over there, not only would be irritating sitting down around the dining table, but you would see this big old dirty thing just standing up high and your eyes are gonna go straight to it. I also need to decorate the coffee table. I need some coffee table books, something. I'm getting the tree skirt. I might get a little carpet for under here, maybe one of them footstools. I'm gonna get something to organize the wires. And yeah, if you could think of anything else. Oh, and the paintings, and then this wall is gonna have my fireplace. There's gonna be another update. And then the curtains, I didn't change the curtains yet, but I think I'm gonna make them full white. I wanted black curtains, but everyone told me that it would make in here look too gloomy and dark. Just comment below any additions that you think that I should add. Yeah, this is it for right now, and I'm happy that I was able to come and share it with you guys, and I hope that it was helpful in some sort of way. If it was, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like the video for more videos like this, also beauty videos and, you know, other lifestyle videos from me as well, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.